case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1984 case that wrangled with the nuances of sexual consent, the Maine Supreme Judicial Court ruled that if one party continues sexual intercourse by compulsion after the other party withdraws consent, it would count as rape. The landmark case focused on Gordon Robinson III, who stood in the defendant's box in a suit that stirred legal and societal debates. Robinson's central argument hinged on the claim that any act of sexual intercourse, even if it continues post the withdrawal of consent, cannot be classified as rape. He also presented the viewpoint that rape solely transpires during an act of forceful male entry. However, the court, on examining the evidence, found Robinson's arguments unconvincing. The determination of the case revolved heavily around the testimonies of the victim and Robinson. While Robinson posited that the act was consensual, the victim contested, stating that he forced her against her will. A critical moment in the trial came when the jury sought a definition of rape in the context of one party withdrawing consent midway during sexual intercourse. The presiding justice underlined that if the act continues under compulsion, it invariably becomes rape. The verdict found Robinson guilty of rape. The court interpreted the Maine Criminal Code's definition of rape as any sexual intercourse compelled of a non-consenting partner by overriding physical force or the threat of serious harm. The court underscored that no amount of compulsion through physical force or threats of mutilation can shield someone from a rape prosecution. It further affirmed the justice's supplemental instruction to the jury as the correct interpretation of the law. The court also dismissed Robinson's claim that his pre-arrest silence infringed upon his Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination. There was an additional dispute raised by Robinson regarding the voluntary social companion defense. The justice denied instructing the jury on it, citing a lack of evidence to suggest that the prosecutrix permitted the defendant any sexual contact. Therefore, the judgment was affirmed, with Robinson's appeal rejected at the highest court in Maine.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.